So I am starting off with a 12 by 12 piece of cotton fabric that I'm cutting out. And it doesn't matter what kind of fabric you have, it's going to be on the back. So now this is a great time to use up your scraps here. Is you can just grab scraps that you have, or you can get some nice fabric that you have. And I'm doing 1.5-inch strips and 2-inch strips. That's about what I'm doing. But you could do whatever strips you have or whatever you want, because this is a fun, just wonky square is what I'm calling it. And then now I have a 4-inch hexagon template, and I will put the link down below in my Amazon links, and you guys can come check it out. There's like a whole kit of them, like a whole set. So I just place it in the middle of my 12 by 12 fabric. Then I grab one of my strips and line it up. I do right side to right side, pin it, and then do a 1/4-inch seam allowance and just go ahead and just sew it just like that. And it's just super easy. And you just make sure you cover up all the purple that you want to cover up. And then I just finger press some of it, and then I wound up ironing some throughout too, just depending on, how the fabric's working for you. So I just take the black fabric and go all the way to the end of the yellow over there, and then make sure to go to the other side of the purple, and then you pin it, and then do a 1/4-inch seam allowance, and just go ahead and sew it down just like that. And these are just super fun projects just to use up and do some scraps and just see what you got. And you make fun little squares, and you can just do a bunch of squares if you want and make a quilt with them. Or, you could do like just different squares to make like maybe just a hot pad, or something to set on your counter to put your casserole dishes on, or, put some batting and stuff behind it and quilt the top of it and stuff like that. Or just any kind of little project that you could think of. A pillow topper would be great too. And you can see I'm just doing that and making sure that I'm lining them all up and sewing them down. So this is just pretty fun just to grab what you got. And I'm doing more of a fancier fabrics. That's why I was cutting out those at the beginning, because I'm trying to match. I'm going to later on make a pillow case with this, and I'm trying to match it up with my son's quilt that I made for him. So I thought this would be just a fun little pillow thing. And I think I asked you guys at the end of this video what you guys think, and if you want to see me do the pillow topper and stuff and quilt it and anything like that. So yeah, so if you guys are liking this video, please hit the like button. That really does help my video get out there further for others to see how to make this fun little wonky square. And it really is just therapeutic and relaxing just to go through your scraps and, line them up and just see how they fit. Now, you can see here I'm cutting off those little scrap bits, but you don't have to. I kind of like keeping them because I can do like a cool little scrappy little squares and stuff like that. So it's kind of fun just to keep them, but you could keep them underneath if you want, as long as it's not like a thinner or like a lighter fabric on top where, maybe it'll show through or something. So you can see there, I didn't get it quite over far enough on the black one, so I'm taking the pink one, folding it back, and I'm gonna do, I think, almost a 1/2 inch. So I kind of messed up. I didn't get it over on it far enough. So now I'm sewing it down again, as you can see, to get it over onto the black one further, and then there you go. You can see I got it. I caught that edge. So you just don't want any white showing underneath, so you just keep stacking them up and making sure that you're lining them up and they go far enough over from edge to edge and catch both edges there. So that's pretty much what you're doing, is just catching all the raw edges and then just folding it over. So I think I just continue just sewing these on and catching all the raw edges and flipping them. And you can iron them, like I said, in between if you want, or you can hand press it. Just finger press it if you want. So I'll put on some fun music here for a little bit, and I'll pop in if I need to. So you can see here that the purple raw edge right there doesn't go all the way to the corner. So I put the yellow one on top and sewed it down just on a 1/4 inch, same allowance, and then flipped it, and now it's covering that corner, and I'll cut that little pink off later and I'll show you guys how we cut that. So I just want to make sure that I'm covering all the edges and getting all the little raw edges and stuff covered. So take your 12 by 12 inch ruler, or any ruler that you have if you don't have a 12 by 12, and just line it up on the edge of the back fabric, and just go ahead and just cut all the excess fabric off. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of our wonky square here. And there's so many fun things that you could do with it. You can make a pillow cover with it. You can put batting on the back of it and quilt the front of it. Uh, Let me know in the comments below if you guys like to see videos of me quilting atop of one of these and, you know, maybe making a pillow cover and stuff. I think that'd be kind of fun. So comment down below, and I'd really love to hear from you guys. So this is a great way to use up your scraps too, and a perfect beginner square to work on. So this is a 12-inch, 12 by 12, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.